In today's video, I'm going to teach you what really happens if you delete your Robinhood account and walk you through everything you need to know to properly close it out as of now. First off, let's talk about a common misconception. Simply deleting or uninstalling the Robinhood app from your phone does not actually close or delete your Robinhood account. It might seem like removing the app would sever your connection, but in reality, your account and all your information are still there and active behind the scenes. If your goal is to truly shut down your account, there are a few essential steps you need to follow to make sure everything is fully closed out. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sell or transfer all the positions in your account. This means you'll have to individually look at each asset or investment you currently hold. Click into each holding one at a time. For every asset you own, you'll want to click the sell option and go ahead and sell off all your shares. It's important to make sure everything is liquidated, so double check that your portfolio is completely empty and that there's nothing left invested. Once all of your investments have been sold and you're no longer holding any positions, the next step is to take care of any cash that might still be in your account. Head over to your account overview, then look for the transfers section. In transfers, you'll find the option to withdraw any remaining cash from your Robinhood account back to your linked bank account. Your goal here is to bring your account balance down to $0. Even a small leftover amount can prevent the account from being deactivated, so verify carefully that you've withdrawn every last cent. Now that your assets and cash have been cleared out, you're finally ready to initiate the closure process. To do this, navigate to your account settings. Here, you'll see an option labeled Deactivate Account. Click on this and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Robinhood might check to make sure you've fulfilled those previous steps, selling all investments and withdrawing all cash before letting you proceed. Once you confirm, your account will enter deactivation. After you've properly closed your account, you'll lose access to all Robinhood trading features and investment tools, as well as the ability to manage any account functions. This is a permanent change, so be sure you've saved any information you might need in the future before you commit. And that's it. Following these steps ensures your Robinhood account is fully closed, not just hidden by deleting the app. If you need a record of past transactions, consider downloading your statements before deactivation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your account with confidence.